Another video. Today we got a smoking killer deal on these batteries. If you guys could find them, your mileage may vary. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out by doing so. Alright, big shout out to Stan the Man for pointing this out. Then again, I do repeat myself, this is your mileage may vary. You're not going to find this at every store. But you know what? If you're already at the Home Depot, if you're already there, if you already have a trip planned out, or maybe going to get some equipment for the job, well, it doesn't hurt to ask. That's what I do. Well, check this out. So you got the Dewalt 3-pack. You got a 2 amp hour battery. You got a 4. You got a 6. So that again tells you right there you're already getting your money's worth just from one of these batteries. Alright, let's look at the other pictures that we got sent. So this is the scan tool from Home Depot. So this is it says here item overview. It says you got the item number or the UPC number, whatever you want to call it. You got 1005 475 211. That's what you have to tell the associate so they can scan them the little machine that they have. Don't go online. Don't put it online because it's not gonna show. Obviously, all the ones that they have is a different system than the one they have online. So these batteries are $149, guys. This is a killer smoking deal for 3 batteries like this. Even just one of these batteries, the smaller batteries, cost $149 by itself. So you're basically getting the other 2 for free. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.